Hello everyone, VW Crafter thermostat. Yeah, problem we had, the bottom broke and we had a leak from there as well. The seal is there, somebody's broke it. Yeah, but to get to it, you got to take this pipe off, the alternator, throttle body. Easy this is, to get to it easy, because it's all down there. I'm telling you now, it's stuck in there. They don't like to come out. Oh, not to forget, let me get up here on my knees. See this pipe it's attached to? And I've just replaced the seal. Yeah, it's metal. And you got to get the oil cooler off to get to the bolt behind you. So you can move it to get it out. Yeah. And that bolt don't even want to come out. It's give up on me. Rounded off. So if you're doing the thermostat, make sure you get that out, that O-ring there. Yeah. And the new gaskets for the cooler. And coolant, of course. That's a 14 crafter, I think. Yeah. 63 plate crafter. Have fun.